wherever you're watching me from. Today we'll do a different kind of haul. First of all, let me sip my water. This is my Stanley Cup. Have you watched the video that I shot for unboxing the Stanley Cup? Please go and watch, give it a like. Leave a comment. If you like my content, please subscribe so that we grow together and my videos are recommended to a wider audience. So I have a flower here, bouquet. It's normally on the table here or by the door, but I'll just put it down because of this haul. So, disclaimer, if you're under 18, you're not supposed to drink alcohol, and excessive consumption of alcohol is harmful to your health. Yes. So today we are doing a drinks haul. We are used to grocery haul. Please go and watch videos where I've done grocery haul, and give it a like also. If you like the content, subscribe. Today we are doing a different kind of haul. We are doing a drinks haul. Number one, these drinks are sent to me from abroad by my husband, and also when I travel or he travels, he brings them. So when he sends drinks, he doesn't only send the drinks, he will send drinks plus other things, plus chocolates, plus clothes, plus shoes, plus everything that we need in the house. And because he has been sending and they're piling up, I need to have a party, invite my friends so that they can come and consume these things before I decide to open a shop and sell them. Because I don't drink heavy drink. I'm not a heavy drinker. I'm a very light social drinker. And I will not be drinking a lot of whiskey. If I do whiskey, I just do like a tot, and that's enough. Can you imagine? So let's start with the Glenlivet. This is whiskey, single malt Scotch whiskey. This is 700 ml and this is 1,000. This is 1 liter. So full. I think this one has been here for over a year and I've never opened, I've never drunk. As I've said, I'm a very light drinker. So I need to have a big party, not big, party with my friends, make good food for them, then they'll come and take the classy drinks and have the good food and have the good times, and it will be lit. So those are the Glenlivet. Next, let's do the Johnny Walkers. So I have Johnny Walker Gold Label Reserve. I hope you can see this. This is what quantity? This is, where is the quantity? Oh, this is 1 liter. There's another Johnny Walker here. This is Blue Label. It's also blended Scotch whiskey. This is what quantity? Okay, I don't know. I think it's either 1 liter or 1.5. I don't know. So this again, full. This also, I think this one you open it in. There's a way you open this one. Like this. What the? Okay, let me not spoil it. So this is Blue Label, John Walker, Gold Reserve. And then we have this one, Black Label. I think this is the normal one. Black Label, 12 years. These ones are 2. Black Label 12 years. How many years is this? So these are the Johnny Walkers. The Johnny Walkers are here. I don't think there's another Johnny Walker. Yeah. We are done with the Johnny Walkers. Oh my god, they're heavy. Next, I think I have one Hennessy. Hennessy, very special. It's a cognac. Do you pronounce it cognac? I think so. So it's 1 liter. So if you're in my circle and you're a Hennessy person, your Hennessy is here. Your Hennessy is here. Let's go to the Tanqueray, people. Tanqueray. Yes. So we have, this one is Tanqueray Sevilla, and it's 1 liter, and this one is just Tanqueray, and it's what capacity? Whatever capacity. I think it's bigger. Maybe it's 1.5. So if you're in my circle and you're a Tanqueray person, your drinks are here waiting for you. Next next we have this one. I think this is also a whiskey. 12 years Chivas. What is this? Is it whiskey? I think so. So we have this one. It's very big, by the way. It's this one is, oh my god, I can't even lift it. It's 1.75 liters. So this one, if you're in my circle and this is your drink, it is waiting for you. Next we go to Jägermeister. This one is also good. So if you're in my circle and this is your drink, it is here waiting for you. And then I don't know what this one is. This is Hendrick's. It's a gin. And then the one that I will even drink, I told you I'm a very light drinker. I don't drink hard stuff. I do, but just a little. This one is Rosé Gold Bottega. So I'm going to open this with you guys and I drink it because all these ones are very heavy and it just needs vibes upon vibes. Thanks for watching. I'll just take a photo of the blue labels and the gold labels and the everything else. Please drink responsibly. Excessive consumption of alcohol is harmful to your health. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink if you don't have to. It's not a must. Just do social drinking.